So today we're gonna do the second Halloween makeup tutorial. I wanted to do something, we're gonna say, pretty with turquoise colors. So what I'm going to attempt to do is a sea creature, but like I said before, like in a beautiful way. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. You guys know that I like to tell you guys in a voice over like what I'm using, what I'm doing, and put some music because I feel like it flows much better the Halloween makeup tutorials. And without further ado, let's get started. Hola, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidas al canal. Hoy vamos a estar haciendo el segundo maquillaje para Halloween de este año. Así que tengo ganas de hacer algo, digamos, más bonito con unos colores turquesa. Así que voy a estar tratando de hacer... So I'm going to start off with the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. So this is a primer that blur and pore minimize. This is in the number 400. And you guys know I love this primer, especially for the Halloween makeup tutorials, because we're going to add paint and so much extra, basically extra makeup. So right now I'm using a glue stick just to kind of set my eyebrows. And then I'm using a brush from Ardell just to kind of comb the little hairs of my eyebrows so they're really tight and where they're supposed to be. So after that, I'm going to use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of fallout, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation, and this is in the shade Vanilla number 5, and this is for me perfect for this Halloween makeup tutorial because it is lighter than my actual shade. So then I'm going to use a blender and start blending the foundation all over my face and a little bit halfway of my neck. So here I put some foundation also on my brows, and I decided to set it with the Stay Matte Powder. However, I was like, you know what, why not set the entire face? Because I apply foundation and I'm gonna put so much makeup, face paint, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So I was like, why not? Let's add some powder on the face. Here I was going to use this turquoise face paint, but I was like, you know what? Let's not use it yet. So now I'm gonna go with 35S Sweet Oasis palette, and I'm gonna go with the shade Salt Water Dip. And I'm going to apply this on my crease. This is basically going to be like a normal makeup tutorial, but it's going to be very dramatic. So I'm going to apply this on the crease. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side, applying it on my crease, and I'm going to put this color right underneath my eyebrows. And as you guys can see, the backdrop is falling all over the place, but that's okay, I'll fix it later. I noticed it really later on. Now I'm gonna go with the color Hidden Cove, and I'm going to apply this on the crease also, just a little bit on top of Saltwater Dip, and make this crease go all the way to basically my hairline. And also I'm really applying this color really into the inner corner of my eyes, so this makeup sea monster, cute sea monster, it's gonna be the eyes very dramatic. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. And here we fix the backdrop and we are just going to blend. Now I'm gonna get the color Secret Lagoon, and I'm going to apply this underneath of Hidden Cove, and this is just to make the outside of the makeup eye be more intense on the bottom. So basically I'm the outside of my inner corner of my eye, just going all the way also to my hairline. Now here I'm going to apply some concealer on my lids. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. You guys know I love this concealer for the lids, and with a flat brush, just going to blend the concealer on my lids. Now I'm gonna go with the color Infinity Pool, and this is my favorite color of the turquoise color shades on this palette. So at the beginning, I just wanted to apply this color maybe on the inner towards the middle part of my lid, but then I loved it so much how it looked this color, so I decided just to apply it all over my lids, basically where I put some concealer on my lids. So here again with the mirror, you guys know that this has been my favorite mirror. You can put it vertically or horizontally, and it's magnetic, so it is so easy to remove from the I Am palette. This is from the Tres Lucy Beauty palette mirror, and yeah, I love it. So now I'm gonna go with the color Coastal Line Cruise, and I'm going to make basically a line where the shape of my lid is. So basically just gonna follow the shape of your lid, and I'm going to make this line all the way outside towards my hair, and basically on the outside of my eye, I'm making like a curve so it makes more sense to the makeup, and this is gonna make so much detail at the end of the makeup look. So yeah, I like it so much, and I'm really going towards the inner corner of the eyes. Now I'm gonna go with the color Reef Dive, and I'm going to apply this color on the inner corner of my eyes, but I'm gonna make it a little bit dramatic, so basically going towards my nose. Now I'm gonna get this turquoise face paint and going to do my brows in this color. That's what I wanted to do at the beginning when I show you guys this turquoise face paint, but I wasn't sure how I wanted the eyes, so that's why I left them before. So now I'm just gonna make my eyebrows in this turquoise color, and at the end I love it so much. Now I'm using the e.l.f. mascara before applying my falsies. Of course, I'm now doing mascara first, then applying falsies. Now again, I'm going to use the color Infinity Pool and apply this underneath my eyes. And as you guys can see, I'm doing like a weird line going towards my nose, so it's gonna make another sense to the makeup. Of course, this is like a different world of makeup, and I'm using now the Air Volume Mega Mascara from L'Oreal, and now I'm applying my falsies. These are from Ardell, the double wispies. Here I'm using again the turquoise face paint, and I'm using this as a lipstick, so this is gonna pop so much with the turquoise eyebrows. Now I'm using again the color Infinity Pool, and I'm going to contour my face, of course, with this color so it makes more sense with the sea creature that we are looking for. I'm gonna go with Tres Luce Beauty palette, the I Am palette. You guys know this is the line from Becky G, and I'm gonna go with the color Divina, and I'm going to use this as to highlight my face. I actually thought that this is a gorgeous eyeshadow color, and it has so much pigmentation that I said, why not add this as to highlight my face? So at the end, I loved it. And you guys, if you saw the lipstick chocolate lips, I don't remember the name of the makeup tutorial that I posted. I used this also again as to highlight my face, and I loved it so much. So moving on, I'm doing the bones of my chest. As you guys can see, I'm like curving my back so I can see my bones on the top. I don't know how you call those bones, sorry for that. So anyways, so basically what I'm going to do on my chest is to do those bones on the chest. Remember, this is a cute sea creature, so we'll still want to see those bones from this sea creature. Now to add some shadow to the corners of the bones of the chest, I'm gonna get again the color Hidden Cove from Morphe, and I'm just gonna start adding some shadows on the corners of the bones so it makes more sense and it's gonna look much better. Now here I'm adding again the color Divina from Tres Luce Beauty palette just to add more glow on the chest. And now I'm gonna get the Revlon Photo Ready IR Double Stick, and love this green. I purchased this 2 years ago. It is so creamy and easy to work with, and it is so pigmented. So I'm gonna do this diamond shapes some parts of my face. As you guys can see, I wanted to do something else, another shade, but I couldn't do it. So anyways, it worked for me, the diamonds, and I think at the end it looks so beautiful. So Revlon has these double stick eyeshadows in silver and gold orange, and I think in blue, and they're so beautiful. If you're looking for something like this, I definitely 100% recommend it. So basically I'm going to do this in the rest of my face. And also I decided why not adding this on the lips, and I love how it turned out, those metallic lips. I think it looks super cute, and I made it look them bigger. And to finish this makeup, I'm just gonna add these beads on my head. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course thank you for my soulmate to be behind the scenes and do these beautiful bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time.